Hello and welcome. This is Dee from crystalcraftswithdee. I have another unboxing to do for you today. This one is from Paint by Number Day. So if you're not familiar with them, they have a very large variety of cross-stitch projects and cross-stitch accessories. They sell all different brands as well of cross-stitch kits. They've got a huge range. So I have selected 3 different cross-stitch kits to show you today. And they are all Joy Sundays. So there's, oopsie stuff. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3. So I will get started with the top one. So all Joy Sundays. Joy Sundays come in these beautiful plastic pockets. They're zip sealed and they have the directions on the back on how to cross stitch and how to wash your stamped cross stitch. And that is the cover there. So this is a gorgeous little series. It's called, it's a village series, and this one is Summer. And it is 17 by 16 centimeters, so it's a great little size, great little traveling project. Won't take that long to do. It is 14 count, and as I said, stamped cross stitch. So we'll hop in and have a look. I just thought these were so cute and colorful. And just a great size. Okay, so there we go. You've got your canvas, your colors, and your chart. So let's have a bit of a closer look here. So that is the cover sheet there. I love the colors in this series, especially summer. I love the sky. I think that's really cute. I love the clouds. Love how they've done the waves actually and the beach. I think that's really cool. I love that. Very effective for a small design. So that is the cover sheet, and look here, and this is, how adorable is that? It's so cute. How perfect is this to take with you anywhere you want to go? Joy Sunday has these beautiful hemmed edges, and you've got your symbols down the bottom there. Now I cannot read that at all, so that's not very well printed, but I'm not concerned because you do have the chart in here. And we'll have a look at the stamping. So stamping looks pretty good. So as far as the writing in that, it's illegible. You can't see it. But that's it. There's Summer Village, and I'll just bring it a little bit closer. You can have a look there. So it's not too bad. I mean, it's printed pretty good actually. You shouldn't have any issues reading those symbols. So yeah, you'll probably have to refer to the chart, that's why it's there. But that looks pretty good actually. Love this size, 65 stitches by 63. How cute is that? So I'll just have a look at the chart here. So on your chart, you've got that there, so you'll be able to read that pretty easily. It's all full stitches. There's your little thumbnail. All full stitches. They have your DMC cross reference there, and there are 20 colors. So 20 colors in a cross stitch that small is pretty good. Yeah, so I'll have to refer back to this chart, which is, yeah, I do anyway, just to double check. But yep, all full stitches. Those people who don't like back stitching is a bonus. Too easy. So that looks pretty good. And we'll have a look at the colors. So your colors come pre-sorted on this card here, and you get 2 needles. 2 needles on there, and they're very clearly marked as to which colors are which. 20 colors there. Love these colors, how beautiful and colorful and vibrant. I love it. Look at the yellow. Wow, that's really bright. And this side as well, really beautiful colors, just gorgeous. So really beautiful. So that is cross stitch number 1, that's Summer. And cross stitch number 2 is again Village series, and this is Autumn. How pretty are those colors? I love the sky. I think it's so beautifully done. Again, comes in Ziploc bag. And these zip seal bags are really great for keeping your projects in there. Your whips as you're going along when you're traveling, keeping it clean and dust free. Again, you have your canvas colors and charts. Let's have a look up close at the cover sheet there. I love the colors in this. I think this one's probably my favorite one out of the series. I just think that is so effective in how they do the sky. It's simple, but it looks really cool. And again, it's so colorful. And love how they do all the flowers in the front and that beautiful little path leading to the village. I think it's just gorgeous. This one is 16 by 16 centimeters. Again, it is 14 count, stamped 8 o'clock. There we go. And this is, I just can't get over how little it is. So adorable. So that is the canvas there. Again, your hemmed edges, and it has symbols down the bottom there. I think because this is so small and there's so many colors in it, it's hard for them to actually print it on the symbol key on this particular sized canvas. But anyway, when you actually look at the proper spots where you are cross stitching, they are very clearly printed. Shouldn't have a problem at all finding your way through that. But I think that looks amazing. 64 stitches by 63. That looks really, really good. Bring it up a little bit closer. You can see that is printed very well. It's just those little symbols down the bottom. They're a bit too tiny. That looks really good. I'll have a look at the chart. So again, your chart, very easy to read. There is, looks like there's a little bit of back stitch. Yes. That's the thumbnail there, and you've got full stitch, 20 colors again, and then you do have a back stitch as well. So the back stitch would be these bits here, just a little, the stems on the leaves, that sort of thing, the wheels in the bicycle there, but not a lot. If you didn't want to do them, you don't have to do them, but that looks pretty good. 20 colors and one backstitch color. Pretty darn cool. Let's have a look at those colors. Again, they come pre-sorted on this card. Oops, there we go. 2 needles, and you've got 20 colors there. And I just love the colors. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Love that purple. Nice and long, nice and soft. The other side there, beautiful autumn colors there, just gorgeous, really beautiful, lovely. Okay, cross stitch number 3 is winter. Again, I love these designs. I love the colors, and I actually, one of my favorite designs with cross stitching is I love this circular sort of pattern. It just kind of mixes it up and makes it a little bit more funner. This one is winter, 17 by 16 centimeters, a little bit bigger than the other two, 14 count, again stamped cross stitch. And look here. There we go. Canvas colors chart. Let's get that cover sheet. There we go. Okay, that's the cover sheet there. I love the colors. I love how they've done the snowflakes. Got this beautiful church in the front there. I love the snowman and the presents. How adorable is that? Really, really cute. I think the trees are done really well too. Very, very cute. 17 by 16 centimeters, 14 count. That looks so good. And a close-up of the canvas there, again with your hemmed edges. That is printed very clearly. You won't have any problems at all reading those symbols. Again, they're very tiny down the bottom. That's where you need your chart to cross-reference that. But I think it is printed very, very well. And I like how you got a little bit of detail in here, and then you've got these big blocking areas up here, so it just mixes it up a bit. That looks really, really good. 65 stitches by 63. That looks really, really good. All right, we'll have a look at the chart. your thumbnail there. All full stitches. There are 21 colors in this one. So all full stitches, no back stitch at all. And again, with your chart, very easy to read and cross-reference that chart. So that looks pretty good. Let's have a look at those colors. Again, on your pre-sorted card, 2 needles, and you got these really beautiful, long, gorgeous colors. Really, really pretty, actually. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, those blues are gorgeous. Nice, long, and nice and soft. Absolutely beautiful. Just gorgeous. What a beautiful set of cross-stitch projects. There's 3 out of 4 of the series, a village series by Joy Sunday. Bring them all in like so. We've got winter, autumn, and summer. 3 gorgeous cross stitches from Joy Sunday Village series. I absolutely love these. I think they are just so beautiful and so colorful. These are great beginners projects, absolutely fantastic, too easy. So if you haven't cross stitched before, you're just new, these are perfect to get started on. They're not too big, they're not too detailed, but they are pretty, and they've got enough colors to keep you interested that you're, you know, keeps you interested doing your project. Great traveling project. You can just pop these in your bag and off you go. So 3 gorgeous projects from Joy Sunday and from Paint by Number Day. I'd like to thank Paint by Number Day very much for sending these out to me for review. I will put the links to these guys in the description box below. And I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time.